Hello everyone, this is 𝗧𝗲𝗿𝗪𝗏 Weather Rampage, and what you're looking at right now is a map from the National Weather Service showing where flash flood watches and flash flood warnings, and also where other particular advisories are there. And what you're seeing right now in here in the dark green is a flood watch, which covers almost all of central Oklahoma and southern Oklahoma, and also western North Texas, panhandle of Texas and Oklahoma, and also northwest Oklahoma, because there is a couple of rounds of rain that will be coming through, as well as thunderstorms, and also severe weather will be coming through as well. So as much as 3 to as much as 7 inches of rain could occur still with these storms as they develop and continue across the area. Not to mention with that, there could be some damaging winds with these storms also, anywhere from 60 to 70 mile per hour wind gusts with these storms. I just kind of wanted to show you that for today here in Oklahoma. This will likely continue into tomorrow as well. And I also want to show you what the potential is for today as far as flooding and as far as what the percentage of rainfall is for today. As you can see here, rain chances on today 80 to 100% from Clinton to Woodward to Enid, with 60 to 80%, Ponca City, Altus, Seymour, Texas, Lawton, Oklahoma, and 40 to 60% here in the Oklahoma City metro area, and 25 to down to 15% in areas southeast of Oklahoma City. As far as the heavy rain and flooding potential expected Monday, as you can see here, there's a slight risk of flooding here in the Oklahoma City metro area all the way up to Stillwater down to Wichita Falls, Texas. Moderate risk of flooding in western Oklahoma City down to Lawton, down to Seymour, Texas, and from Clinton to Altus to Woodward to Enid. A high risk of flooding potential as storms train over the same areas over and over again. They will produce flooding as they do so. And that's in response to tropical moisture and a frontal boundary and another storm system developing that will come along this frontal boundary. So be thinking about that if you live in Oklahoma. Also here, late afternoon and evening, severe storms possible on Monday. As you can see here, there's a marginal risk that covers just about all of the state of Oklahoma, but southeast Oklahoma. As you can see here, this whole green area is under that risk for severe weather, which is a marginal risk. And the other risk here is a slight risk, which covers areas of Altus and Seymour, Texas, and southwest Oklahoma and western North Texas. As you can see here, very low tornado potential, hail up to the size of quarters, and winds up to 60 miles per hour will be the threats from these storms as they develop. So just be mindful of that. And here's the heavy rain and flooding potential expected for Tuesday. Almost all of central Oklahoma, actually all of central Oklahoma and southern Oklahoma, south central Oklahoma are in a moderate risk for flooding. West of there, Clinton into Lawton into Wichita Falls, Texas, and Seymour, Texas, slight risk, and west of there in Woodward, a marginal risk for flooding. Now, severe storms possible Tuesday, late afternoon, evening. As you can see here, pretty much the same. Large hail, damaging winds from these storms, and a couple of storms could contain up to quarter-size hail. Very low tornado potential, quarter-size hail, winds up to 60 miles per hour. And you can see here, Oklahoma City is at a marginal risk here in green, and the slight risk area here is in yellow, which covers areas east of Oklahoma City, east of Norman, well, kind of on top of Norman, and east of Lawton and Wichita Falls, Texas. So just be looking out for these storms as they develop, as they could be severe. I will keep you updated on the severe weather potential and flooding potential. This is your severe weather update and flooding update here for your Oklahoma and Oklahoma City metro area. This is 𝗧𝗲𝗿𝗪𝗏 Weather Rampage. Take care, everyone.